Nice room at Jade, PSG. Let's go. Hello, this is Kutipa Gautam, the grandson of Mahendran. Doesn't seem to be in a good mood. Hello. Krishna, breakfast aja. Aja.
Chapad is always on time.
அது என்னது இன்னொரு தடவை சொல்லு
வேண்டாம் நீ அதல அடிச்சு
ஓடு போடு என்ன
சோறுக்கு பிந்து பிந்துனு அது போருக்கு பிந்துனாலும் சோறுக்கு மிந்து அப்படியே first try to feed yourself only then you fight. Yes. Yeah, look at my wife, she's ready to fight.
எங்க போறோம்? நீலாம்பூர்.
அது எங்க சேலமா?
ஏடி மியூசியத்துக்கு போறோம். ஏதாவது ஹெல்ப் வேணா இமிடியேட்டா சொல்லுங்க. வண்டி நிறுத்தி எல்லாம் அது பண்ணலாம். சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு திங்ஸ் இருக்கு, வாட்டர் பாட்டில் இருக்கு, எல்லாம் இருக்கு. வேற ஏதாவது
டாஸ்மாக் இருக்கா கேக்குறாங்கப்பா.
மெடிக்கல் ஹெல்ப் வேணும்னா இமிடியேட்டா இருக்காங்க. டாக்டர் இருக்காங்க.
டாஸ்மாக் வேணும்னா யாரை கனெக்ட் பண்றது?
ஆமா டாஸ்மாக் வேணும்.
டாஸ்மாக் வேணும்.
லூவா
இல்லாத ஆளா போய் சொல்றேன். இங்க நீதான் இருக்கற. நீதான் பாக்க.
இங்க தான் இருக்க பெட்டிக்குள்ள. டாஸ்மாக் கடையிலே நிறுத்திக்கலாம் விடு.
அதெல்லாம் மாட்டாங்க. ஃபாரின் சர்வீஸ் வேணும்.
இல்லை இங்கே இது பண்ணுறீங்க டேர்ன் பண்ணுறீங்க
அங்கே the road is narrow for the bus to turn. ஆ இப்படி வச்சுக்கணும், இப்படி வைக்கணும்பா தலையில்.
பென்சில் லாரியில் தெரியுமா அந்த மாதிரி
அது என்னமோ அப்புறம் வீடியோ இருக்கா இல்லையா பார்த்துக்கோ. மெமரி கார்டு இல்லைன்னா வராது.
மெமரி கார்டு வேணுமா?
ஆமாம். எடுத்துட்டேன்பா நாகராஜன். ஆமாம்
யூடியூப்ல போட்டுருந்தோம்.
ஆமாம் யூடியூப்ல தான் வரும்.
நிஜமா எடுக்கிறியா? எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கிய?
இல்லை பொய்யா எடுக்கிறேன், பார்த்துக்கோ. நீ எவ்வளோ பொய் சொல்றியா எல்லாம் வருது.
உள்ள போடா இதை விஷயம் அங்கே போய் எடு.
ஆ இங்கேயே எடுக்கிறேன். How are you, sir?
Fine, sir. Fine. Proud factor. நீங்கள் வர்றீங்க, உங்கள் கால்களோட பதிக்கிறது பெரிய விஷயம். ஜிஆர்டி சார்
எனக்கு ஃபோட்டோ எடுக்கணும்னு தோணித்து, அதனால தான்.
ஹாய் ப்ளீஸ்.
இவர் தான் எங்கள் குரு, எங்கள் காலத்து குரு.
சார் நாங்கள் அவரை குருவுக்கு மேலே கடவுள் நிலையில் வச்சுருக்குறோம். நீங்களும் அப்படி தான் நினைக்கிறேன்.
நாங்கள் இருந்தப்போ he was principal and then Dr. Subayan took over.
நாங்கள் வந்தப்போ
அவர் தான் பிரின்சிபல். அதுக்கப்புறம் he passed away before 2000 I think. Because 2000 we came for Silver Jubilee.
Yes, sir.
And then there was a memorial.
Yes.
We attended. என்ன இருக்கு? What is the speciality of this museum?
Museum actually we incorporated innovated technology, not the conventional technology. So 3 floors. Please come. They are the guiding people.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hi. How are you? Hi. Hi, sir. We'll take you through a small tour. Please, you can gather. I'll take you through the tour.
Come. There is a guide. He will be guiding us. There is a guide.
கம் ஃபார்வர்ட்.
நீங்க சொல்லுங்க, யார் கேட்குறாங்களோ கேட்கட்டும்.
Thing is, we always having crossing over the school kids. Now we are also taking care of today kids like you. Such a innocent face we are able to see, attracted with the GRD sir. All the alumni whoever visit here sir, on seeing GRD sir photo, immediately they will have the tear over. Such a attachment they are having.
இல்லை, எங்கள் ஹாஸ்டலில் இருக்கும்போது வருவார் ஈவினிங் வந்து பாக்கெட்டில் இப்படி கை வச்சுட்டு அப்படியே நின்றுட்டுருப்பார்.
அது மாத்திரம் இல்லை, மெஸ்ஸில் வந்து நடுவில் உட்காந்துப்பாரு. 6 தோசை கூட வைப்பார். அவருக்கு மட்டும்
குட்டிப்பா ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபி
அதை மட்டும் எடுத்துட்டு வருஷம்லாம் வைக்கிறபடி
நல்லா பாரு. தாத்தா எங்க? இந்த தாத்தா இல்லை, பயாலஜிக்கல் தாத்தா எங்க?
Yeah, very good. Okay, fine. 40 minutes we can go ahead. 40 minutes.
40 minutes, sir.
நீங்கள் சொல்லுங்க.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, please, dear sirs, please come. You can get inside.
Sir, we have 3 floors and 7 galleries. Ground floor we have energy gallery and automotive gallery. We'll take a through. On the ramp we have space gallery and rocketry gallery. You'll see the entire thing. And second floor there is very interesting thing. It's called SOS. That I'll take you through. And top floor we have theatre and few other things.
So 15 minutes is
Okay.
Yes, please, sir.
Please.
follow the time also.
Yeah, definitely.
No problem.
All are okay, sir. Yes, sir. Please. Come, sir.
பத்திரம் இல்லை, பத்திரம். I'll show you that.
எடுக்கலாம் இல்லை அவரை எங்களுக்கு ஃபோட்டோ எடுக்க சொன்னேன்.
எலாபரேட்டாக பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. எத்தனை ஃப்ளோர் அது?
3 floors.
3 ஃப்ளோர் கம்ப்ளீட்டாக எல்லாம் எதுவுமே இருக்குது.
எஸ் சார், எஸ். இதில் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம்னா பவர் ஜெனரேஷன், அதாவது டெக்னாலஜி ஜெனரேஷன், டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன், யூட்டிலைசேஷன் ஃபேக்டரியில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இண்டஸ்ட்ரி, அர்பன், வில்லேஜ். ஸோ எல்லா இதுலேயுமே வி இன்கார்பரேட் வித் சோலார் பேனல்ஸ். ஸோ நேச்சுரல் எனர்ஜி தட் இன்கார்பரேட். ப்ளீஸ். No sir, actually this is referred to the power generation, transmission and utilization. Yes sir, yes sir. Namaskaram. இது models for thermal, solar, wind power and hydro. And these all how the power transmitted towards industry, urban and rural. ஆமாம், குழந்தைங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் அது. உங்களுக்கும் பிடிக்குது.
I bet you're thinking how you're going to make all these things.
So these are all interactive panels, sir. Interactive panel related to energy. So here we can see the international level of power generation, how far green, how far eco-friendly, all factor. Then this is related to India. Then here relevant to the main cities. We will explain about how the power transmission happens. Yes sir. Higher voltage to lower voltage, then industry, urban and village. Likewise we will educate them. Yes sir.
Seems to be water cooled bike.
Oh yes, sure. But around, yes sir.
Private or visit வந்தால் they will allow?
Yes, all. Yes sir. Actually 12,000 kids crossed over.
நம்ம இதில் பிஹெச்சியில் வந்து சோலார் பிளான்ட்.
So in PHG, all the institution we provided solar panel in the roof. In PHG College of Technology, all the roof we have had in the solar panel. That is the fact. Yes.
Many plants are there.
No. Actually, 85% of the consuming there in PH College of Technology with the solar power. Yes. TVS Luca, they sponsored with components of automotive.
Thank you, sir. So, again, a blown-up view of Nexon EV, and that is the battery pack for the Nexon EV, sir. Yeah, it goes below the thing. That battery pack alone weighs about 300 kilograms, sir. Yes.
A lithium battery.
Yeah, lithium battery, sir.
Keep a reflective mirror.
Reflective mirror at the bottom?
You can see what is the bottom.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Nice idea. Mahindra car, sir? Mahindra car, we haven't got any parts, sir. But the...
I think there was one standing out in the parking.
Yes. But the Mahindra car architecture, right, which is called as a skateboard platform. I mean, every new architecture, car architecture uses that skateboard platform, sir. It is right there. So you can change the length of the car. You can put one motor, two motor, even 4 motors. All of that is modular. And then you can put So basically you can put an SUV, sedan, whatever you want on the top of that. So same architecture, same platform. You can do whatever you want.
What did you say your name was?
Mihir, sir.
No. LKG, UKG, up to 12th.
Okay. So that is the Toyota engine. Let me just turn it on.
காலேஜ் குழந்தைகள் நம்மள தாத்தான்னு தான் சொல்றாங்க.
On this side, sir, we have simulators. Please, you can try the simulators. So, car, truck, train, ship, and aircraft.
சொல்லுங்க. இல்லை நீங்க சொல்ல வந்ததை சொல்லிடுங்க. டெக் சைட். ஆமாம்.
Yes, sir. You can put the full throttle. This is the actually the parking brake. Let me distinguish.
Sir.
No. So this is A320 Neo. Sir, by the speed it goes to 120, 150, right? Then you can lift it.
Sir, A Venkatachalam.
This is self-piloted or we can pilot it? Co-pilot is the normal one who is flying.
So you can lift it.
Yeah, sir, 150, sir.
Tail striker? No.
So you can see the entire Coimbatore view, sir. So there you can see the entire actual satellite imagery of Coimbatore, sir. We took it from Coimbatore airport, sir. So if sir turns, we can see the Psgct tech, sir. INS Shivaji.
बेसिक स्कूलिंग वगैरे तिकडे झालं आहे.
अच्छा.
त्यानंतर इकडे टेक्स्टाईल टेक्नॉलॉजी कोइंबतूर.
Sir, if you want, you can try on this side, sir. Okay, sir, can we move to the first floor?
Across India.
We got some 10,000 students have already visited the museum.
10,000 is too small.
We just started it.
It's too small. What is what will be?
Sir, this is assembly line demonstrator. So simulators you are asking, sir?
Yeah.
So there are some simulators we have. So basically they have given us the VR goggles and you can connect the simulator to the game so you can try these things, sir. Okay. Yeah, we'll go. We'll go to the first floor. Only 3 floors, sir. Ground, first and second. So this is the ground floor, first and second.
Ground floor is mainly automobile.
Only automobile and energy. On the ramp we have the space gallery. Space gallery, sir. Space. And first floor, science exhibits and SOS. And second floor, theater, AR, VR and this thing, robotics gallery. And on top of the building, we have the observatory, sir. 3 scale. This is a smaller gallery of all the ISRO satellites and ISRO rockets. And as we go up on the ramp, sir, we will see all the rocket models of 1:5 scales and all the satellites launched by ISRO.
Oh, see.
We'll see, sir. We'll go up. We'll start from here, sir. This is the ramp. Okay.
Easily we can trace out.
Sir, please come.
JV
So I think you might be aware of the Vasagam, sir. He was also our PhD alumni. So that's why his photo is also there.
PhD at present.
Vasagam, sir, was a PhD alumni, sir.
Common for all, even Sunday.
And as we go up on the ramp, we have all the models of the spacecraft, sir. So Aditya L1, GSAT, all of them.
Government school கிடையாது மற்ற குழந்தைகளுக்கு உண்டு according to their priority.
Sir, please go on the left hand side, sir. Yeah. SO, Science on Sphere. Sir, please come, sir.
200 அந்த மாதிரி வச்சிருக்கோம். PhD க்கு free.
On this floor, we have 64 science exhibits. These are all interactive. So, as you were saying, the QR code, sir, right? So, basically, this is the part. First level information tool. So, there is a central sphere, and this is designed by NASA and NOAA, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, like basically a weather entity in US government. They also have their own satellites. And we got about 900 data sets from them. So this is sun. Yeah, this is the sun actually, not in the regular wavelength or the visible light we see, but it's in a different wavelength because we cannot actually directly capture the sun without any proper filters.
Oculus they
It's a
can
3D
wear,
view of the sun.
then they
Let me
can
go
feel
to
they are moving in the launching
Mercury.
vehicle.
So the surface of the Mercury is completely eroded away, so it looks like a dull moon actually. You'll see a lot of craters on the Mercury.
Space simulator. Space simulator.
Venus.
Train varno. Let me call.
So Venus has a very thick atmosphere of clouds, so we cannot actually see the surface of the Venus unless we land on the Venus. So that's why this is from radar actually, one of the radar satellites. So wherever you see the bright spots there with the cloud density is much higher, and whenever there are black spots the cloud density is much lower. Moon. Yes, 3D view of the moon. So the black portions or the green portions on the moon you see, sir, ma'am, please come in, there is enough space, are called mare or the lava basins on the moon. They are basically the softer regions where there is soil and sand, and it is made up of a lot of minerals such as iron, copper, cobalt, nickel, etc. and also some precious metals, gold and platinum. Yeah. The problem is not to get the metals, but problem is how do we get it back? We can just go and mine it because it is not that deep like Earth's, but the problem is how to get it back. And this is the southern pole of the moon, sir. Sorry, all of you can see. I'll just move it. This part, the cratered part, that's where we landed 2 years ago with Chandrayaan 3, and we named that point as Shivashakti point.
Okay.
So last week, 23rd of August, we celebrated the National Space Day here in the museum. And last month, actually last month, in July, 20th of July, we celebrated 56th anniversary of Apollo landing. Mars. So just like Earth, Mars also has polar ice caps, but they are not made up of ice as we know of. They are made up of water. They are made up of carbon dioxide gas. So you can see the northern and southern polar ice caps here. The white part, sir. Sorry, sir? White part are the ice caps, sir. But they are not made up of the water ice we know. They are made up of carbon dioxide ice. Just like Earth, they have that. There is one more thing. You can see a mountain here, sir. Below, there are 3 mountains, and below that there is one more mountain. All of you can see that. I'll just turn it. Right there. So that is called as Mount Olympus, the tallest mountain in the solar system. It is basically 3 times the size of Mount Everest.
Please.
Now, the king of the planets, Jupiter. Let me take you to the most dangerous place in the solar system, apart from the sun. This is one of the moons of Jupiter called Io or Io. All of the yellowish, reddish portions you see is nothing but lava or volcanoes of that particular moon. So it is the most dangerous place in the entire solar system, and the volcanoes actually erupt so high that we can actually see the volcanoes from the Earth. They erupt about 300 kilometers high.
Sorry, we could not. What's the planet?
Io or Io, sir. It's not a planet, it's a moon of Jupiter, sir. So there are 4 large moons of Jupiter which Galileo discovered in 1609. They are called Galilean moons or the major moons. So Io, Ganymede, Callisto and Europa. Europa is basically larger than the size of Mercury. But still it is called a moon. Okay, let me just go do one more thing. Now not a planet, but until 2006 it was a planet, Pluto. But for Pluto, interestingly, because it is so far away, we only have data from one side. The other side of Pluto does not see the light because it takes 239 years for Pluto to complete one revolution around the Earth. Sorry, not the Earth, Sun. So since we discovered Pluto, it hasn't completed. We have launched one probe which is called as New Horizon Space Probe. It reached Pluto in 2015. It took the photos, but as you can see, we only have the data from one side. Other side is basically blurred out because we don't have any data on that side. Let me come back to Earth. Can anybody guess what this might be? So this is the data regarding the flights. Actually, there are more than 20,000 flights in a day that take off and land, and this gives us a very interesting picture of a number of flights taking off and landing in different parts of the world. So if you see Europe, you can see it is swarmed with flights. Same thing with US, and compared that to let's say South America or Africa, we hardly see any flights.
How about our India?
Yes sir, you can see India here. Again, very few flights compared to Europe or even Japan or China. Now let me go to a very interesting data set. So this is a data set about Facebook friendships, who's connected with whom. Now you see a very interesting picture here. Above India we have China and Russia where the Facebook is banned. So you don't see any data, but then you look at Europe, everybody is almost connected with everybody else.
What about India?
Indians are here, right here. Partially connected, I would say. Not many people are using Facebook. I mean, compared to
South has got more than North. Right?
Yes. Major cities, sir. Even, I mean, Africa paints a very interesting picture. Only the coastal regions of Africa are being more developed since they are using Facebook. I mean, we can draw this kind of conclusions, sir. I'll play a small movie if everybody has time, otherwise I'll just wrap this here. Or if anybody wants to see a specific data set, I'll just play that. Huh?
How many seconds or minutes that
2 minutes maybe. Rahu Ketu are not the planets, right, sir? They are the nodes.
They are not planets.
They are not planets, sir.
What are they?
They are nodes, sir, actually. So they can predict the eclipses. So they are imaginary nodes in the 2 points where the ecliptic plane meets and the plane change in the plane. So so there is a difference of 5 degrees between the Earth and the Moon. And Earth's axis also tilted 23.5 degrees to the Sun. So when these things are aligned, we will get a solar eclipse or lunar eclipse. And both the solar eclipse and lunar eclipse are combined together. So when there is a solar eclipse, after 15 days before that or after that, there will be a lunar eclipse. So this is actually happening. So 7th of September, there will be a lunar eclipse, and 21st, I think there will be a solar eclipse, partial. Not visible from India, but lunar eclipse is visible from India. And we are hosting an event.
It's ephemeral, yet tangible, essential, but ordinary. It's water, and not just any water. Fresh water, rainwater, water covers the earth. From high altitude cloud droplets to great underground aquifers to endless places in between, the water cycle keeps it all in motion. Earth vibrates with life because of water. From up here, you can see everything too. And everything what you need to know when you're studying precipitation.
I'll announce it. Those who are interested, they can see everything.
Here's how to do it. A fleet of international spacecraft, headlined by a core US-Japanese satellite, will produce the most precise global rain and snow data ever. Called Global Precipitation Measurement, or GPM, the mission promises to transform how we even think about rainfall and freshwater management.
Yes. Sir, so we'll, okay, hello. I think it will take some time. Okay. So we'll head to the theater from here. It's on the second floor. You can either take the ramp or you can go via the stairs or the lift, whatever is comfortable for you.
We don't have time, so we will do it.
Because all can accommodate there in the theatre.
So theater, there are most of the galleries, I think you have all covered the ground floor. In this floor, there are all science exhibits. So 64 science exhibits are there. All of them are basically interactive science exhibits. You can see them at our own leisure if you have time. We can go to the theater. I'll give you a small demo about how we are playing things in the theater.
Wonderful.
We have some science documentaries and movies. And from there, if you have time, you can ask me. We'll take you through other tours.
Good.
No, sir.
Means कहाँ से?
I'm from Maharashtra, sir.
कहाँ से महाराष्ट्र कौन?
Kolhapur, sir. वहाँ से. Yes, sir.
साहू महाराज.
Sahu Maharaj, yes, sir. Oh, okay, sir. Oh, nice. How, sir?
You're married? No, I was in Bombay. I used to go to textile.
Oh, wow. Amazing.
So how long you here?
In Coimbatore, I've been for 3 years.
How do you like the place?
இதுதான் போடணும் ஜிம்ல எல்லாம்.
Okay. Correct. Movies. Right now I'm playing Blue Planet Part 2, which is narrated by David Attenborough. This is, I think, his 100th year and birth anniversary, I think. And I think he shot this when he was, I think, 95 or something. So please enjoy 5 to 10 minutes of it and then we'll continue. Thank you.
PV என்ன பார்த்த? ஆஹா. I think we have to spend a week in Coimbatore to enjoy all this.
Very good.
Because அந்த eclipse timeல வரணும்.
Bombay.
Okay.
All the similar wooden paneling inside with acoustic.
Krishna, stand together.
Hello.
Hey, Krishna.
Krish, they're recording.
Stand together. She says it is as good as the opera house in Sydney.
I agree.
Similar wooden panelings, false panelings to control the thing. Visual.
And very good acoustics looks like. Very good acoustics.
Hey, Venkat, ikkada chodu. Nice.